Hey up everyone, you alright? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to Zante. Now just a little quick video for you today. I'm going to show you around the Grapevine Hotel where I'm staying here in Alykanas. It's a 3-star basic hotel here in Greece and it's with Jet2. So if you want to just have a quick look around this hotel with me, come on, let's go. So we start on the back of the door like normal, all your fire instructions and your emergency plan. Here we've got where you put your key, some switches, fuse board, beautiful. And then we've got the bathroom. Now in the bathroom we've got a shower with a shower curtain, oh no, the dreaded shower curtain. Nice shower, that does hang up. Toilet, little mirror and a sink. Quite basic. And as we turn round, we've got a little kitchen unit. One above as well. And then the fridge. A kettle and a hob thing. The fridge is quite big as well. Love the big fridge. Up here you've got some pots, pans, cutlery that they provide. This is self-catering this. And the same down here you've got your knives, forks, spoons and stuff. Right, as we spin round, you've got yourself a little a little table. Bedside table there with a drawer in it. And a double bed. There is some plug sockets behind the bed and some switches for the lights. But yeah, it's quite firm. It's a firm bed that. You get a chair and a minute tiny TV on the wall. Air conditioning. Now it does say on the Jet2 website that you have to pay for that, but I haven't paid for that, we're already on. So, don't know. We've got another plug socket there. That's for your outside light. And then you've got a double wardrobe with a safe at the bottom. That's payable as well. I haven't got that, so I don't know how much it was. Now the local tax here was €2 per night. And at the other side we've got another bedside table. But yeah, this is a small room. Say it's a double, but I'm here on my own. Right, if we turn around, we have got patio doors with shutters. As you can see, it's a small balcony. 2 chairs and a table. And I look out over the pool. So yeah, it's very clean. The cleaners have been in every day, replaced the towels if you leave them on the floor. Yeah, it's been very comfy. I will say though, it is very rural, this hotel. If you don't like being woke up by chickens, then don't stay here. They like to make a noise about 5 o'clock in the morning, but hey-oh, we're in Greece. And that is basically the room. I do believe next door there is a newer block and the rooms in there are a lot more modern. So, like I say, I can't say, but this is what I was given, booking through Jet2. Right, let's go and outside and look at the hotel. So what did you think then of the Grapevines Hotel here in Alykanas? It's basic, it's quiet apart from the chickens, and it's clean. I mean, and that's all you can ask for. It's a bit rural, it's about a 10-minute walk into Alykanas, but yeah, I would recommend staying here. Anyway, thank you so much for coming with me today around this hotel where I'm staying in. Please do like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you again in the next one. Goodbye.